Welcome back to yet another great powerful strategy on how you can actually scalp, boom and crash. Okay guys, I know we've been dropping a lot of video lately with different strategies. All this is to enable you guys, have different ways of trading, because in trading we don't just have one particular pattern. In trading we have so many ways in trading, and because we all understand things differently, so a particular strategy might really be working on, perfect for you, but some other person can't really understand that particular strategy. So that's why we have to come with different ways and different strategies so it can all suit everybody. So in today's strategy, we're just gonna talk about how you can, scalp the market, and you can hold for at least 5 minutes. Okay guys, so quickly before we start, I'd like you to, like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel. Subscribe is very important that you subscribe, guys, and leave some sweet comments, and don't forget to turn on your notification so you always get video, be among the first to see the video whenever I drop a new strategy online. So before we start, guys, I'm just gonna share with you guys the indicators you'll be needing for this great strategy. So the indicators you'll be needing for this strategy will be on the main chart, the moving average, and on the indicator window 1 you need the relative strength index, you need the Ichimoku, and in the indicator window 2 you need the stochastic oscillator. So first, the first indicator we'll be adding here will be the moving average, and the moving average will have these parameters. Like I always said, guys, just you can screenshot this or you write them down so you don't do mistakes. The period here is 10, the shift is 0, the method is exponential, apply to close, the style is 3, and I'm using black. I like using black colors because it's bold and it's showing well on the chart. I can see them very clearly, so I choose black, but you can use any color of your choice. Then done. Then you go back to your indicator window. The indicator window is the F symbol you're seeing on your screen bar, the blue bar there. The F symbol you're seeing there is the indicator window, in case you don't know. So you click on your indicator window again. The next indicator we'll be adding here will be the relative strength index, and this time around on the indicator window 1. So on the relative strength index we have the period 1, apply to close, the style is 3 pixel, and I'm using black. This pixel depends on how bold you want the lines to be. So if you're using a 1 pixel, the lines might not be that bold, might be tiny. So 2, 3 and 4, and 4 is the most bold lines you can have on the pixel. So you can choose any pixel you like, but just make sure it's bold enough for you to see it clearly. And the levels here will be the level 10, the level 90, and the level 50. When that is done, you click done. Okay, and you go back to your indicator window again. The next indicator we'll be adding will be the Ichimoku. On the Ichimoku, we have the Teken San, which is 1. We have the Kujinsen, which is 2. We have the Sukuspambi, which is 52. This space here, just leave it empty, then click it, just leave it empty. Then the Teken San will be 4 pixel, and I'm using blue. And the rest of the styles, just leave it to the color of your background. If you are using a white background, like I am using a white background, I leave the colors at white. If you are using a black background, you leave the color at black. Just let the color be the color of your background. Okay, when you're done with that, you click done. And the last indicator we'll be needing here will be the stochastic oscillator, which will be on the indicator window 2. Okay, on the stochastic oscillator we have the K period 5, D period 3, Slowing is 3. Price fill is low slash high. The method is simple. And the styles, the main is 2 pixel, a gray color, and the signal is 2 pixel gray color. The levels here, the level 15 and the level 85. After that is done. So after you might have finished inserting our indicators, the next thing you want to do now is knowing the zoom level. Okay, the zoom level for this strategy will be, what you have to do is you have to zoom out fully, like zoom out your chart fully. Okay, after that you just bring back, just zoom in once. Okay, and that is it. So after doing that, the next thing we are going to do now is knowing when to buy and when to sell. Okay, when do you buy? Your buy, if you are on crash, and you're scalping, that means you are buying. But if you are on boom and you're scalping, that means you are selling. So this is boom 500, and that means we are going to be selling. And when do you sell? Like if you are scalping, you have to use the 1 minute time frame. Okay, we are on a 1 minute time frame at the moment. That's the time frame we use in scalping. So we are on boom and we are going to sell and hold at least for 5 minutes. So when do you know it's time for you to sell? Okay, the first thing you will want to do before you sell is you have to look on your indicator window too, and you see that the black line you're seeing here, this black line you're seeing here has reached the level 85. You have to make sure it's up to the level 85. If it's not up to level 85, I would advise you not to take the trade. You have to be wait, like I always say, patience, it's very vital in forex. So you have to be patient and wait for the black line here to hit this level 85, and you look at your indicator window 1, and you see that this your Ichimoku line, the blue line you're seeing here, is up to the level 90. And when that is done, you go to your main chart and you see that the black line here is crossing over the candles here, like the candles you are seeing here, the red candles that you are seeing here, it's crossing this black line down here. And when that happens, you place your trade. This will be your entry. The moment you see the line crossing these red candles, the moment you see the red line here crossing this black line, that should be your entry. Okay guys, that should be your entry. I have to repeat this once again. The first thing you want to do is you have to wait for this black line on your indicator window too. The moment you see this black line hitting the level of 85 here, which we know as the overbought level. Okay, because when once you see the market getting that high, like getting up to the 85 level, the 85 level is known to be the overbought level. So at that moment you should be expecting a reversal at that point. Okay, there should be a reversal if the market is getting that high to that overbought level. So what we do is we wait and expect a reversal. So once you see this happening, you see the black line here on your indicator window 2 hitting the level 85, and you look at your indicator window 1, you see the blue line hitting the level 90. Then you go to your main chart to have the final confirmation for you to make the trade. You have to wait for your candles here, the red candles you are seeing here, to cross this black line. The moment this happens, this is your entry. Okay, so once this happens, you place a trade, and when you do that, you pick 1 2 3 4 5 candles. That means you hold for 5 minutes, because each of these candles takes 1 minute to complete. Each of the candles here, it's 1 minute. So if you're having a 5 candles here, that means you're holding the trade for 5 minutes. If it's 10 candles, that means you hold the trade for 10 minutes. But I'll advise you not to hold it up to 10 minutes. just hold for 5 minutes, pick 5 candlesticks, and you're out of the market. Okay guys, it's very simple for you to do this, guys. Just watch this video over and over again to have a clear and a proper understanding on how to scalp this market, because this is a very great and a powerful strategy. It works perfectly well. you know I like sharing great strategies. If I don't see it's working very well, I don't come here to share it with you guys, because I always want everybody to make money on Forex. So just make sure you sit back and watch this video closely. Make sure you understand everything I did perfectly. You install those indicators perfectly the right way I did them, and I guarantee you are going to make a whole lot of money for yourself. So I have to say this one more time before I stop the video. Okay, like I said, after you might have finished inserting all the indicators the same way I did, okay, the first thing you want to do is know when to buy and when to sell. And when do you sell? You sell if you are using boom. We're talking about scalping here, okay guys. We're not catching spikes, we're talking about scalping. So if you are scalping boom, that means you have to sell. But if you are scalping crash, that means you have to buy. But at the moment we are scalping boom, we are on boom 500, okay guys, so we have to sell. So when do you know it's time for you to sell? The right time for you to sell with this strategy is when you see on your indicator window too that the black line you're seeing here, like the black line you're seeing here, it's up to the level 85, which we take to be our overbought level. And you look on your indicator window 1, you see your blue line here is at the overbought level, which is the level 90. And you look over your main chart, you see the red candles here crossing the black line you're seeing here. The moment you see this happening, you know it's time for you to make your trade. Okay guys, this is your entry. So once you make that trade, you hold for 5 minutes. That means you hold for 5 candlesticks to form completely. The moment you have 5 complete candlesticks, you close the market with profit. So guys, this is very easy. Just do this. I'll advise you, maybe try this on your demo account. When once you get conversant with it, once you have you know more confidence about it that it's working perfectly, you can now move to your real account and trade. But I guarantee you this is a very great and a powerful strategy that works very well. So guys, this worked the same way on crash too, but just on the opposite sides. Okay, and in the next video we talk about this, how you can actually use this strategy on crash. But today we're talking about boom. So guys, thanks for watching the video. Like I said, don't forget to like the video, share the video, leave some sweet comments, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. If you've not subscribed to this channel before, I ask you to subscribe guys, and turn on your notification to always get new video whenever I drop them. And don't forget to check on the description page. You see a link to my Telegram group. It's a free Telegram group, a group where I drop signals and for your daily trading. Okay, as you can see, this is the free signal group where I drop your daily signals for you to use and make profits for yourself. Okay guys, as you can see, these are the results we've been having from the signals we've been dropping. As you can see, people are making a whole lot of money for themselves. So just check on the description page. You see a link to this wonderful channel, so you can join and get strategies, signals, and make money for yourself. Okay guys, and also check on the description page. You see a link to my WhatsApp group if you want to talk to me directly about account management, because I run account management. Okay, I run account management, and I run a mentorship program in where I teach you how to make money on Forex. Okay guys, I'll teach you from the basics and make you turn a professional in trading. So just hit me up guys, let's talk and make money together on Forex. Thank you guys for watching. See you some other time. Bye.